Good day. Today we'll be talking about how to withdraw money from PiggyVest app before maturity date. Once you launch your PiggyVest app, you log in with whatever security feature you use, either the fingerprint or your password. So now, after you have logged in into your app, before you can make any withdrawal, your withdrawal will determine the type of feature where you saved your money. So we have different features for the PiggyVest, but whichever one once you log in, you look at your dashboard. Below the dashboard, you can see savings, get it, invest, and account. You click on savings. So after clicking on savings, let's say for example you saved your money in your piggy bank, then you open piggy bank. On the piggy bank page, you can see many options there: quick save, withdraw, or settings. So you go to withdraw, you click on withdraw. So every withdrawal has its maturity date. Now on my page, I have 30th of September as my maturity date. But we can see today might not be the date of withdrawal. So what I'm going to do is, on this place, I'm going to type the amount I want to withdraw. After that, you have to agree that if you want to withdraw money before the withdrawal date, there is a 3.5% breaking fee of the amount you want to withdraw. So you select your option and you pick, is the money in your wallet balance or from the amount to be withdrawn, which means where do you want the deduction to come from? Is it from your wallet balance or from the amount you want to withdraw? So you click your choice. Then after that, you pick in your bank that you already used as a preferred destination of your funds. You put in your security answer here, security answer from your question and answer when you're trying to log in. After putting that in, then you break your savings. You know how to withdraw your money before maturity date. Thank you.